Good afternoon, CPhI and all of our live stream Flow Sciences attendees. We are in booth 1725 in the center of the stage. We're going to be doing our 2021 product release demonstrations here in just a second. Flow Sciences is a manufacturing company located in Leland, North Carolina, and we manufacture containment solutions for high-potency APIs and pharmaceutical work. We would like you to come and join us for our product demonstrations over here. Our facility is 45,000 square feet, and that encompasses our entire organization. So when you come in the door, you're going to see our sales team, project managers, our leaders, our engineering, and our design, and then we actually manufacture on-site to the specifications of the equipment that you're looking for. And before that equipment leaves our facility to come to you, it goes through our laboratories for its certification and validation. So our entire process is done all in one place. And we are going to move into our product demonstrations. We have 3 new products this year. We are going to be releasing our Nitrogenema 2, which is here on my right-hand side, our analytical process isolator, and our star of the show, which is going to be our Drysolator. So the Nitrogenema 2, which is our first unit, is actually a second generation of our original Nitrogenema, and this is for low oxygen, low humidity processes. And the nice feature about our new version is it's made of polypropylene, which makes it very versatile for your laboratory space. So if you need to do a low humidity, low oxygen process, but you need to move that material into maybe a glove box or an ETA enclosure that's open face once it's done, this unit can be customized to have transfer ports into additional units, whether they're Flow Sciences or it's to existing equipment you already have at your facility. We can do transfer ports on either side. If you need waste disposal, we'll talk about that material movement in and out of this unit. I actually used to be a client, and I had our original Nitrogenema. We did a customization so we could add a front lift door because we had a large piece of equipment that needed to go in and out of that unit on a regular basis. Our new standard product with the Nitrogenema 2 actually has this large lift door for equipment. So you can see here, large open space to move your equipment in and out of. You still have your transfer port on the sides for your day-to-day operations and your material movement. This unit, like I said, is low oxygen, low humidity, and it does have a metering system. So all of us know that if you have to be adjusting your inert gases and you're doing that manually, not only is that time consuming, it also wastes a lot of material in the way of using inert gases. So this unit is going to be able to have a set point. It's going to adjust for you and maintain that control level while you're doing your process. So this is our Nitrogenema 2. Like I said, polypropylene construction. You can do acrylic or glass, and then we have a lot of customization in the way of side ports, analytical process isolator. And this unit has come about actually because clients have problems and we have to solve those problems. So if you're working with high potency APIs, OEB4, OEB5, and you need to do work in an ISO 5 glove box, or you're just looking for that high potency containment, this unit may be something you want to consider. So you're able to do your ISO 5 work in the glove box, and then you're going to be closing up that material. Whether you're moving it into a transfer containment device, or you're going to be moving that container out of that unit into the laboratory or into another part of your facility, there is some risk when we're talking about high potency APIs to have there be residue on that container. And even if you do your full cleaning procedure in your glove box, there is some risk there to your employees. So if your industrial hygienist or your safety professional says, we don't want to move that material out without additional cleaning, this unit is very versatile. You can move that material, once it's closed, into our open face ventilated balance enclosure. So we took our glove box workstation and we joined it with our open face ventilated balance enclosure with a transfer door. And that allows you to continue to have negative pressure containment for your operator down to 10 nanograms per cubic meter. This is where your material would be closed, and you can do additional cleaning, have better visual inspection, and also be able to downgrade your PP and have better dexterity while you're doing that cleaning process. This is also polypropylene construction, so we have some versatility here with transfer ports. You need to add waste disposal ports. All of that customizable in our standard unit, and then if we do need to make any additional modifications for your process or your equipment, we can do that as well. So our star today is our dry Slater. We're really excited to release this product. It's going to give you that humidity control, so you're getting lower H oxygen. It's also giving you the glove box, so you're getting that ISO 5 cleanliness as well as that high potency containment. So this unit can be used for multiple processes in your facility. So if you need to do high potency work and you don't need the humidity control, you can use this unit, but you may have a process at any given time that's going to utilize that humidity control, and now you have the ability to do that all in one unit. So this unit, also polypropylene construction, you can see it has transfer port here on the left side. We have a continuous liner on the right side. So this unit also customizable with the transfer ports and the waste ports. You can link this to multiple processes. So if you need to continue ISO 5 cleanliness, but you don't need the humidity and oxygen controls for the entire process, you could link this up to a standard glove box and continue to move that material through the process without it ever leaving containment. It also allows you to see how we work with original equipment manufacturers. So our continuous liner here is for high potency waste disposal, and we've designed that for specifically flow sciences to be adaptable to all of our units that are made of polypropylene. But in addition to that, we work with a lot of vendors, whether you're looking at a butterfly valve or a continuous transfer process, maybe we need a valve in the base of the unit. We've worked with all the manufacturers in the industry to make sure that their products that you're using for your containment are also adaptable to our equipment. So we're constantly doing that to make sure that we've thought of what you're going to need once you get it at your facility. We're solving those problems for you ahead of time. This unit, ISO 5, so we have our inlet HEPA, and then the other great feature of this unit is this particular one is HEPA in, HEPA out, so double bag HEPA through your house exhaust or recirculation back into the room. It is a BIBO, so it's a bag in, bag out filter. So you can change your primary filter while the unit is running and laboratories in full operation if you choose to do that. You're going to have full protection to remove that bag. In addition to that, our HEPAs internally for the lateral flow while the humidity controls are running, we've looked at the ergonomics of that. So obviously I don't appear to be a very tall person. This unit is a very large unit, and I have to change the internal HEPAs here. So I can easily unhook the two latches, pull down this door here, and remove our HEPA filters while it's in the unit for the lateral flow HEPAs. They can then be bagged out, so again, safety a key feature. The other thing about all of our units that we look at is ergonomics. So this particular one with the glove ports are a larger opening, all of our glove boxes are. That allows you to have more versatility and usability while you're working in the unit. In addition to that, we have the ability to do adjustable lift tables. That was on the Nitro Gentleman too. We had that, so you can adjust the height for those various heights of workers like myself that are on the small side. You want to consider your entire process and the ergonomics of it, because glove box processes tend to take a little more time, and you want your workers to be able to be efficient and utilize this space in the best way possible. So we try to think through all those things when we're designing our standard units for you. This unit also has an LED light, which we currently have also, and it has a PLC controller. So we've done PLC panels on other units within Flow Sciences. This one we're very proud of. It has a lot of more features than we've done in the past. And because your process is going to be unique to you potentially, the PLC controller can be programmed to your needs. So we have administrative controls. That's going to allow you to determine who can make changes to the set points, to the safety interlock. So all of these doors are safety interlocked. You cannot open more than one at a time, or you're going to have containment release. So we prevent your everyday users from being able to make those changes if you choose to do that. It also is going to give you GMP traceability. So if you are looking for data about your oxygen and your moisture levels during a particular process and you need to show reproducibility, that PLC controller is going to have that data in there. So this is our exciting product. This is our dry Slater. I said constantly today that we do customize our standard units, and that's really important. So all of our standard products at Flow Sciences, both the three we talked about today and our other products, are all standard off the assembly line in the sense that, yes, we have standard features, but you can customize. So whether it's waste, transfer port in, it's your fan and filter housing, all of that, we have multiple options for all of our standard products. And if we don't find a product that's going to meet your needs, so we've evaluated your whole process, We've talked through what your process looks like, what your containment level is, the ergonomics, the end user's needs, transfer material in, transfer material out, and we're going to recommend a product. If we can't do a standard product, we're going to be able to customize that for you. So whether we're looking to house a localized process like using a vacuum oven and you need to put material in at just the entry point and we don't need to enclose the entire equipment, we can do that. If we need to just adjust the internal height for a larger piece of equipment, maybe you're working with a Malvern, or you're looking at large scale manufacturing containment. You know, we recently did a device that was 11 feet to encompass an entire production process. So no matter what your need is, we want to help you solve those containment questions and provide you containment solutions. So we encourage you to stop by our booth at 1725 here at CPhI. Those of you online and joining us, please check out our website and let us know what we can do to help you. Fill out that contact form, check out our standard products, and utilize our task match feature to see if the task you're looking for that we've already done a containment solution for. So thank you so much. We look forward to working with you and speaking with you, and we'll be at the booth the rest of the day.